what you can do. If there is a patient in any hospital, let's suppose you are a doctor. I don't know who you are. You can be a doctor, psychologist, healer, psychotherapist, whatever, counselor, coach. But if you have this knowledge, if you have equipped yourself with this knowledge, if you know this process, then imagine what you can do with your patients, especially because you are related to health and wellness. And if you have been a gamer in your life, I don't need to explain to you how a gaming character can equip so many things to make himself or herself more powerful with new gear, new dress, new talents, new weapons, etc. So this is why the course is very well organized according to those people who have been went through the gaming background in their life, because a gamer can better understand the spiritual world of Islam. It's my belief. I believe that a gamer can be a very well spiritual healer based on the experiences from the gaming characters, spell casting, curse, healing, invoking in the name of holy mighty king. So these kind of things, you know that gamers are very used to related to that. But if we go to the Hollywood movie, you know that Hollywood movie, Superman, Spider-Man, Batman, what these superheroes do? They help those who are in need. And they specifically help in those areas where most common people cannot help. Like in a Superman movie, in a Batman movie, a Spider-Man movie, there can be doctors, engineers, psychologists, healers, etc. But there is a certain specific area where those people cannot perform. And then there comes superheroes. Like let's take the example of a Superman. Superman does so many supernatural things. So why people need him? Because he is Superman. Okay. So when you will have this knowledge, you can be a real life super Muslim. Okay, superhero Muslim. Because what you can do, you can start healing incurable patients at your home, in your family, in your relatives, or you can start offering your services for charging money as a freelancer. Even you can add additional service in your own existence business. Like let's suppose you are a psychologist, and if you meet a patient who is suffering with incurable physical disease, you can let that person know that you also help incurable patients. You have something, you have a solution, and then you can sell it. If you are a doctor, you are dealing with patients, you are giving your medicine just like you have been doing. But you know that the patient is not being able to heal and recover through the medicines, then you can bring your another solution, more powerful solution, and you can offer it, and you can charge for it. Obviously, because you will be doing efforts. Without efforts, there is no result. You will be doing efforts. You will be investing your time based on the spiritual skill for healing the incurable disease. And then it's up to you whether you do it for free, whether you charge a little money, or whether you charge 5k, 10k or 20k USD or more, maybe related to the type of audience you are dealing with. Let's suppose there is a millionaire or billionaire suffering an incurable disease, and he does not know the solution, and you have a very powerful method that you can utilize to heal. Then how much you can charge from a millionaire or billionaire? Imagine the possibilities and benefits. So you can understand that this is a very unique kind of treatment method in the 21st century, which is already available. Already there is a Muslim who has been doing it, utilizing it, and I am, by the mercy of Allah, the person who also acquired this knowledge and skill from the spiritual healer and mentor. And you can understand that if I have acquired this knowledge, then it means that I have done some practical, and I have some results, due to which I am so confident in speaking and telling you about this through this Crash Awareness series. So why I am doing it? Because obviously I want to educate and bring awareness that this is something which exists in real world, And this is something that can be utilized by people who understand the world of health and wellness, and who already are faithful believer of Allah, and they believe in spirituality, and they understand that the power is so much in Islam that comes from Allah. And people who are practical Muslims, they can utilize that energy and then they can use it to benefit the people who are in need.